Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix the Logitech G435 no sound. To get started, go ahead and open your desktop or laptop and go ahead and head over into the bottom left corner of your screen to be able to find the start button. Beside the start button, you'll be able to find the search field. So go ahead and click on the search field and search for device manager. So go ahead and search for device manager in this section and click on the device manager. And the device manager window will pop up on your screen. On the device manager window, go ahead and check out all of the devices, output devices specifically connected into your device. So go ahead and click on that arrow beside that output device to be able to check that out, and go ahead and right click each of this device to be able to update the driver of each of this device. Now, after you update the driver of each of this device, specifically the Logitech G435, and you restart your PC, you'll be able to solve the issue of Logitech G435 no sound. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.